education is an incredible honor. There isn't a day that goes by where I don't think about how grateful I am for the foundation in quite literally everything related to life that Nobles has given me.
Because this time at Nobles will not be replicated in your life. It is a one-way ride to your future. And I'm going to close with one word: poesis. To bring something into being that did not exist before. And guess what? Nobles is really good at poesis. And so embrace your own poesis. Use this precious moment at Nobles to bring a part of yourself that did not exist before into being. Thank you.